This alert has been issued by sml.org. A hostile entity is on the loose in your area. We advise you to lock all of your doors and windows and make it appear that you are not home. Stay inside until further notice. I repeat, this alert has been issued by sml.org. A hostile entity is on the loose in your area. We advise you to lock all of your doors and windows and make it appear that you are not home.
Well, shit. They made it public. Why the hell would they do that? This was supposed to be a private investigation. They covered up the deaths for so long to help us without getting caught, and then just one day decide to fuck us all 6 ways to Sunday. This isn't fair. I've dedicated the past month to study this damn thing. This isn't fair. Yeah, you know what? Fuck it. I'm not gonna give up. I still have one last thing to do. Detective Carter, signing off.
Hey, Crease, y'all hear what Detective Carter's planning to do?
No. What's going on?
He's planning on going to Jacob Strever's house to post out there.
Are you serious? Isn't that where Entity 113J is hiding out?
Yeah, according to some other detectives. It's hiding out in his basement. It's a pretty dumbass idea for Carter to do.
But why is he doing that? He's our best detective. We can't let him go there.
Crease, there's nothing we can do. This little suicide mission has already been approved.
Well, if we can't stop him, then what do we do?
Guess we just have to wait until his 3-day mission is up. Then we go and pick him up.
Do you think he's going to be okay when we get there?
Despite his smarts, there ain't no way he's going to survive.